Okay, for 50, they give us these two equations, y equals x plus 2 and y equals 2x minus 1, and they graph them. So A says, using the graph, what's the solution? So we know that the point of intersection right there is the solution. So for A, what is that? That is 1, 2, 3, 5. So for A, the answer is 3, 5. And we determine that just by looking at where I circled at the point of intersection. For B, they want us to solve them algebraically. So I have y equals x plus 2 and y equals 2x minus 1. So I can use equal value methods, right? So I can set them equal to each other. X plus 2 equals 2x minus 1. Subtract x from both sides. I get 2 equals x minus 1. Add 1 to both sides, and I get x equals 3. And then we need to substitute in. I'll substitute into this one. It doesn't matter which one. Y equals 3 plus 2. Y equals 5. And then as an ordered pair, it would be 3, 5. Right?